Hello friends, one moment. Do you know something actually shocking? Our Earth is actually getting ready to crash into another galaxy. Yes, in school we were taught only two movements. Earth rotates on its axis, Earth revolves around the Sun. End of story. But reality is very different. Earth is not moving in just two ways, but it is moving in 9 different strange mind-bending ways. It's wobbling, it's shaking, it's spiraling through space like a corkscrew. Towards where? Straight towards a terrifying accident. So are we already in the danger zone? What are these 9 secret motions of Earth? Come, let's break it down layer by layer in this today's video. The spaceship reality. Friends, when we sit on our sofa at home, we feel like I'm not moving. My building is solid, everything is stable. But the truth is, none of us are stationary. Right now, we are sitting inside a brakeless, uncontrollable spaceship. That spaceship is our planet Earth. It is dragging us through the darkness of space in 9 different directions at once. And when you really understand how, your head will literally start spinning. Faster than sound, Earth's spin. The first motion, rotation. This one we all know, Earth spins around itself. But the speed, that is where the shock is. Take the city of Bengaluru or most of South India. We are close to the equator. That means even while standing still, we are moving at 1600 kilometers per hour speed. That is faster than the speed of sound. Basically, we are spinning every day at the speed of fighter jet. Now go to the North Pole. Completely different story here. Here, the spin is much slower. You are almost rotating in place. But here, near equator, every single day we travel 40,000 kilometers. And because of this insane speed, Earth is not a perfect ball. It has a slight bulge in the middle, like a belly. That bulge exists only because Earth is spinning so fast, faster than a bullet. Earth around the Sun. If the speed of rotation itself feels crazy, the second motion is even more dangerous. Revolution. Earth is racing around the Sun at 107,000 kilometers per hour. To simplify, a powerful rifle bullet flies extremely fast, right? Earth is moving many times faster than that through space. In just 1 second, while you are listening to this line, Earth has already traveled 30 kilometers per second. One more important thing, friends. Earth's path around the Sun, it is not a perfect circle. It's elliptical, slightly oval shaped, egg shaped. That is why in January we are closer to the Sun and move faster. And in July we are farther away and move slower. So on this cosmic racing track, our speed is never constant. The tilted Earth. Now the third motion. Earth is not standing straight. It is tilted at 23.5 degrees. But here is the twist. This tilt is not fixed. Over a cycle of about 41,000 years, Earth's tilt shifts between 22 degrees and 24 degrees. Like a sleepy person nodding off. This is called obliquity. You might ask now, so what difference does that make to me personally? Friends, think about this. Thousands of years ago, Africa's Sahara Desert was not a desert. It was once a dense green forest. Rivers flowed there. Animals lived there. Then Earth's tilt slowly changed everything. Rain disappeared. Forests vanished. And the world's largest desert was born. Just a small tilt that changed everything. Yes, just a small tilt change, but enough to redraw the planet's map. The wobbling. The fourth motion, precession. Think of a spinning top. When it starts slowing down, its tip begins to wobble in a circle, right? Earth does exactly the same thing. One full wobble cycle takes 26,000 years here. This is called the Great Year, and its impact, it rewrites history and astrology. 5,000 years ago, when Egyptians built the pyramids, their North Star was not Polaris. It was a star called Thuban. 12,000 years from now, the North Star will be Vega. And those zodiac signs you read in newspapers, they are outdated. Astrology still uses sky maps from 2,000 years ago, but the sun's position has completely shifted. You may think you are a Leo, but in the real sky, the sun might already be in another constellation. All because Earth is wobbling like a giant cosmic top. The wandering poles. The fifth motion, Chandler wobble. Let me explain it simply. If you overload a washing machine on one side, what happens? It starts jumping around because the weight is unbalanced or imbalanced. Earth has the same problem. Oceans move, winds move, ice melts and refreezes. So Earth's balance keeps shifting. Because of all this, the North Pole does not stay in one fixed point. It wanders around by about 9 meters, roughly 30 feet. This means every 14 months we don't feel it, but GPS satellites absolutely do. That is why they constantly readjust or recalibrate their navigation systems for this wobble. Even Earth's road is rotating. Now the seventh motion. This one is technical but extremely important. So far we said Earth moves, but here is the surprise. The path Earth takes around the sun is also rotating. Imagine spinning a hula hoop on a table. The hoop rotates, but the entire circle also slowly turns. That's exactly what Earth's orbit is doing. Because of the gravitational pull of Jupiter and Saturn, our cosmic highway itself keeps shifting. This creates a flower petal-like pattern in space. The sun is racing too. Everything till now was just the trailer. Now comes the real picture. Number 8. Solar helix. What were we taught in school? The sun is stationary, planets revolve around it, right? Wrong. The sun itself is dragging the entire solar system around the center of the Milky Way galaxy. At what speed? Hold your breath. 828,000 kilometers per hour. That means we are moving through the space in a spiral. The sun takes about 230 million years to complete one round of the galaxy. This is called a galactic year. And friends, when last time we were in this position, humans didn't exist. Dinosaurs were just appearing. When we complete the next round, will humans still be here? Will Earth even exist? No one knows. The Great Crash. Now the ninth motion. Remember, I mentioned a crash at the start of this video. This is it. As the sun orbits the galaxy, it also moves up and down like a merry-go-round horse. And we are currently slightly above the galaxy's main plane. But that's not the real danger. The entire Milky Way galaxy is moving towards another giant galaxy, Andromeda, at hundreds of thousands of kilometers per hour speed. Two galaxies on a collision course. The dark secret of the universe. And now the most terrifying motion of all, the Great Attractor. Not only are we moving towards Andromeda, our Milky Way, Andromeda and hundreds of thousands of nearby galaxies all together called the local group are all being pulled towards something unseen, like a cosmic vacuum cleaner. Scientists call it the Great Attractor. Nobody knows what it is. It lies about 150 to 250 million light years away. The problem? We cannot see it. Our own galaxy's dust and stars block it from view. This region is called the zone of avoidance. But one thing is certain. On one side, we are heading towards Andromeda. On the other side, we are being dragged towards an invisible change. We are not just rotating, friends. We are sliding, drifting, and we're doing it fast towards a massive cosmic collision. So friends, tonight when you look at the sky, look at those stars and think once, I am not standing still. I am inside a spaceship. Finally, if you like this video, Please like it, share it, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Let's meet again. Keep looking for better. Namaste.